Hi, I'm Sandra at Sing, Play, Create Teaching Tips, and today I'm sharing some of my ideas on how to teach a partner song to your elementary music students. Let's get started. Today I'm sharing how to use Michael Finnigan and This Old Man as partner song. And let's just listen to part of these songs so you can hear and see them for just a minute. If you're not familiar with them, I'm going to just toss them up for a second and play a little recording of each of the songs. And let's go through that first, and then I'm going to share some ways and ideas on how to teach partner songs in the elementary music classroom.
There was an old man named Michael Finnigan. He had whiskers on his chin again. Along came the wind and blew them in again. Poor old Michael Finnigan began again.
If you want to take this activity even one step further and you love to use instruments, you could have a drum beat for This Old Man. Steady beat. This old man, he played one. And you could have the students singing Michael Finnigan use a shaker and play the rhythm. There was an old man named Michael Finnigan. That would be really cute, a fun activity for them to do together, and just another way to reinforce and give them experience singing a partner song, playing two parts together and making harmony and music. Have you ever tried to have small groups of students work together to create actions? If you haven't, it's a really fun thing, and third graders especially love to do this. So now we've learned This Old Man and Michael Finnigan. We've sang them together as partner songs. We've done some of the extension activities either with instruments or movement. And now it's time for our students to create something of their very own. And you can have your students do this in small groups, 4 to 6 students in a group. And you can mix them where you could say half the group is singing This Old Man and half is going to do Michael Finnigan, or you can just have the whole group do one of the songs, and then you could have the two different groups of the two different songs come up and perform those songs together, which is really, really fun. I love watching the creativity of children when they feel strong in their skills of singing and moving. They've had lots of experience, and then you turn it over and say, okay, now it's your turn. Come up with something fun, something creative. What do you think this song would look like? What do you want to do for this song? And I feel like it's such a successful and fun activity. I highly encourage you to give it a try. It's so rewarding to watch your students create things in the music room. And we've gone through all these little steps of learning these songs. We've worked really hard. We've performed each song separately. We've put them together. We've done body movement. We've done body percussion. We've played instruments. We've played games. And now it's time for them to come up with some movement of their own. So we're going to divide the class into small groups and assign them a song. Hopefully you have at least 4 groups. 2 are doing This Old Man, 2 are doing Michael Finnigan, and then they'll come up and they can do in a small group. Hopefully they can perform this song as a partner song, also using their creativity and their movement that they've come up with in their own class. Feel free to use instruments. Feel free to use scarves, streamers, whatever will help your students remember this song and remember how to work together in the music classroom, to sing beautifully, and learn a little bit about harmony and making music together in the music room. I hope you've got some ideas from this video using Michael Finnigan and This Old Man as partner songs. You can get this free resource in the Sing, Play, Create free resource. I hope you'll leave some comments below of how you've used this video and these activities in your classroom. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.